Welcome! Today we're going to talk about this gorgeous 2023 Chevy Bolt EUV. The EUV is kind of like a crossover version of the Chevy Bolt, where the regular Bolt is kind of just like a hatchback car. This is more like a subcompact SUV, a little bit of a higher up commanding view of the road, a little bit more cargo space, a little bit more headroom. This 23 example is a beautiful shape inside out, only 10,762 miles. It's very nicely equipped with features. Let's take a look at some of the features this one has. So we have the convenience package. That was $1,695, giving you leather appointed seating, ventilated front seats for driver and passenger, and they're also heated. Inside rearview mirror, auto dimming, dark Android painted aluminum wheels with silver painted inserts. Then we have the comfort package. That was $895, giving you steering wheel heated steering wheel, I guess. Then we have a power 8-way driver's seat with a 2-way power lumbar, driver and front passenger heated seats, the leather wrap steering wheel. Then we have the driver confidence package. That's $495, giving you a rear cross traffic alert, lane change alert, and side blind zone alert. Then we have the interior protection package. That's basically all season formats. That's pretty much it for the bulk of the features. So the Chevy Bolt, the regular Bolt and the EUV are very successful products from Chevy, one of the best selling electric vehicles they've ever made. The fit and finish and features are excellent. The build quality is superb. This definitely feels a little bit more premium. Even though it's a smaller, vehicle, it does not feel like it's not comparable to like a small Chevy SUV like the Trax or something like that, which is kind of more of a basic entry-level vehicle. The fit and finish interior features are very premium. This feels more like a a higher-end vehicle on the inside. It doesn't feel cheap and chintzy. They did a really good job of all the features and plastics. It's a very high quality. A big screen for the infotainment system. It's powered by Google. It's a fantastic infotainment system. It looks like we have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Of course, we have a parking camera. We have a wireless charger. We mentioned we have the nice heated and ventilated front seats, leather interior, nice leather up steering wheel. So when fully charged, you have a range of about 250 miles with the Chevy Bolt, which is plenty of range for most people for their daily commute. When you set up 220 charging at your house, you can get a full charge overnight, probably a full charge in about 4 hours. You can also charge with a 110 outlet, but 220 is much more efficient. A 110 outlet will maybe add about 2 to 3 miles of range per hour, so it's more economical to have a 220 outlet for home charging, pretty easy to install. And then of course you have DC fast charging on the road for those road trips and stuff like that. But your house is like the gas station. You wake up, you come home, you plug it in, and then the next day you wake up, it's got a full tank of electricity. So we have adapters for the 110 outlet and the 220. There's the original charger for it. Have all the nice all-season mats and rubber floor mats to keep the interior looking nice and clean. A little bit extra storage under there as well. We have some great promotions going on right now. Complimentary delivery to Washington, Oregon, and Idaho. We can put this in our car hauler. We can tow it to you. So for our mobile delivery service, this beautiful Chevy Bolt EUV can be all yours without leaving your neighborhood or your driveway. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully see you soon, and have a wonderful day.